Please, wait in a second. Do you know TAPCO? Have you ever heard? Do you want to learn computer programs in a professional way? I have good news for you. TAPCO is a professional college that you can learn computer programs in a professional way. In this month of April 2024, TAPCO is taking new classes of basic computer software and hardware, graphic design, typing skills, diploma in office skills, computerized accounting, and video editing. The registration process is going on the 2 branches of the college. Also, you can register by clicking on the below link. If you need more information about these courses, please contact us. 061 444 8331 061 444 8330 061 350 0981 077 093 6200. Become one of the new students in this month to get education with solid foundation. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you for your patience.